So Calendars by Readdle is an advanced calendar app which helps me stay productive, consistent and organized. In the next 3 minutes we will look through the app's features, discover time management tips which actually work, and go through the most advanced things this app can do. Starting with interface of the app and its main features. First of all, when you first open the app, you can quickly import your previous calendars like Apple or Google one to have all your previous events here. Then you're in the main section of the app, where you got different view options for displaying your events. You can display them by day, week or month, see weather forecast for each day, and view holidays in your country. The app also got a separate section for tasks, so you can have events and tasks in one single app. This section shows all your tasks in unboxed view and got options to view tasks for today, upcoming ones, or create lists to fully separate them. The app also got a big plus button for creating a new task or event quickly. There are also some settings to customize the app for your needs. The ones I recommend switching are alert sound, first day of the week, showing numbers of the weeks, and task sorting options. Now let's move on to time management tips which will help you organize your life easier. For starters, the best way to schedule things is 3 days in advance, so you can quickly rearrange something and have some planning options at the same time. For scheduling your events, I recommend organizing them by 4 different options. The first one is daily highlight. It's the first thing you schedule for each day, and it's either the most important task of the day or the most enjoyable thing you don't want to miss. The second one is time blocking. Basically, with this method you block out time in your calendar for things you either want to do or plan to do. The third one is the Pomodoro technique for optimizing work. Basically, the method means working for 25 minutes, then relaxing 5 minutes, and having 4 such sessions for each working time. The final method is routines. These are the things that require a lot of steps to do. For example, you can create a morning routine which includes teeth brushing, washing hands, stretching, etc. Finally, let's look into the best and most advanced features of Calendars by Readdle. Number 1 is natural language processing, which allows you to create events with normal human language. Second one is shortcuts, which allows you dragging and dropping in the timeline your most used events. And the final feature is services linking, so you can connect Zoom meetings right to your calendar. The app is priced at $60 lifetime or $20 annually. However, if you like this video, you might want to watch this one over here, where I share a couple of useful Mac apps which will likely boost your productivity. I will hopefully see you there. Thanks for watching this one.